Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Go on your computer. Many players enjoy the convenience of a larger screen and keyboard controls. We will cover the simple steps to get you started, transforming your mobile adventure into a desktop quest. This guide will help you set up the necessary software and configure your game for optimal play, making your Pokémon journey even more accessible and enjoyable. To play Pokémon Go on your computer, you will need an Android emulator. Think of an emulator as a virtual smartphone running directly on your desktop. It provides the necessary operating system and hardware simulation for mobile apps to function. This powerful tool bridges the gap between your phone and computer, allowing you to download and launch the game just as you would on a physical device. Setting up is straightforward. Begin by downloading and installing an Android emulator on your computer. Once installed, launch the emulator and sign in with your Google account, just like setting up a new phone. From there, navigate to the Virtual Play Store, search for Pokémon Go, and install it. Remember to adjust the location settings within the emulator to simulate movement and customize your keyboard controls for a smooth experience. While playing Pokémon Go on your computer offers convenience, there are a few important points to remember. Always choose a well-known and trusted emulator to protect your computer from potential security risks. Also, be aware that using emulators can sometimes go against the game's terms of service, which might carry consequences. Proceed with caution and enjoy your desktop Pokémon adventures responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.